In this exceptional time, while coping with this global pandemic, learning will continue. Quality education must be delivered. Good morning. Welcome to Lumboy Elementary School Plum Radio here on Lumboy Elementary School Facebook page. Simulcast over Plum Radio 92.0 FM. Serving you with the different skills to learn with fun experience, I am Teacher Joyce, your teacher broadcaster for today's mathematics lesson for grade 4 learners. Get ready to listen and try to be focused and be at your best. And always remember, ang batang math talino, sa math, laging handang matuto. Before we start today, can I ask you one thing? Did you eat your breakfast? That is a good thing. If you already did, then you are now alert and ready to learn. Just want to make sure that you are in a comfortable place so that you can hear me loud and clear. At this point, get your module in Mathematics 4, Quarter 1 with the title, Comparing and Ordering Numbers up to 100,000. Before we start, make sure you have your pen and paper with you. So for today's lesson, you will be able to enjoy working with numbers, especially on comparing and ordering numbers up to 100,000. And after going through this module, you are expected to compare numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols and order numbers up to 100,000 in increasing and decreasing order. For you to achieve the objective of today's lesson, you need to do the following. First, take your time reading the lessons carefully. Second, follow the directions or instructions in the activities and exercises diligently. And lastly, answer all the given tests and exercises. As I said earlier, our lesson for today is comparing and ordering numbers up to 100,000. And so, are you all set? If yes, let us get the ball rolling. Let us try to see what you know about comparing and ordering. Which of the following shows correct comparison? Number 1, letter A, 15,677 is greater than 10,234. Letter B, 23,465 is less than 12. Letter C, 99,009 is equal to 99. And letter D, 45,324 is greater than 54. Number 2, which of the following shows correct comparison? Letter A, 17,987 is equal to 17. Letter B, 39,847 is greater than 93. Letter C, 10,459 is less than 10. And letter D, 12,954 is less than 11. For number 3, which of the following shows correct comparison? Letter A, 87,239 is greater than 88,777. Letter B, 63,534 is less than 36,656. And letter C, 75,878 is equal to 75,878. Letter D, 1,290 is greater than 9,890. For number 4, letter A, 9,128 is equal to 9,218. Letter B, 22,100 is greater than 19,978. Letter C, 79,786 is greater than 97,687. Letter D, 1,111 is less than 777. And for the last number, which of the following shows correct comparison? Letter A, 4,013 is greater than 4,085. Letter B, 33,303 is equal to 33,330. Letter C, 68,587 is less than 78,999. And letter D, 52,478 is greater than 52,654. You have 10 seconds to answer. Let's start. Let's see the correct answer. In number 1, the answer is letter A and B. In number 2, the answer is letter B. In number 3, the answer is letter C. In number 4, the answer is letters A and B. And in number 5, the answer is letter C. Do you have the same answer? Good job, kids! For the next activity, arrange the following in increasing order. You have 5 seconds to answer. Number 1, 3,200, 3,100, and 3,500. Number 2, 4,786, 2,645, and 4,991. Number 3, 18,193, 27,200, and 18,220. Let's check your answers. For number 1, the answer is 3,100, 3,200, and 3,500. For number 2, 2,645, 4,787, and 4,991. And for number 3, 18,193, 18,220, and 27,200. For the next activity, arrange in decreasing order. Number 1, 15,789. Number 15,987 and 15,897. For number 2, arrange in decreasing order 10,123, 10,321, and 10,213. You have 3 seconds to answer. Let's start. Let's check if you have the same answer. For number 1, the answer is 15,987, followed by 15,897, and 15,789. For number 2, 10,321, 10,213, and 10,123. Do you have the same answer? Good job, kids! You deserve an excellent clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, excellent! Are you ready for the next activity? Let us review first some of the concepts that can help you understand comparing and ordering numbers. For letter A, which number is greater? Box the correct answer. Between 919 and 199, which number is greater? For number 2, 1,543 and 1,345. For number 3, 2,400 and 2,433. And for number 4, which number is greater? 9,888 or 9,000? For number 5, 15,251 and 51,010. You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's start. Time's up. Let's see the correct answer. For number 1, the answer is 919 because 919 is bigger than 199. For number 2, the answer is 1,543. For number 3, 2,433. Number 4, 9,888. And for number 5, 15,251. Here's another activity. Write the following numbers in the ladder box. Start with a number with smaller value. Here are the numbers: 804, 1,975, 12,002, 999, and 9,685. I repeat, write the following numbers in the ladder box. Start with the number with smaller value. The numbers are 804, 1,975, 12,002, 999, and 9,685. You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's start. Time's up. Let's check your answers. So the number with the smallest value is, yes, correct, 804, followed by 999, then 1,975, then 9,685, and 12,002. So how well did you perform in our activities? If you got them all correctly, congratulations, grade 4 learners. If you didn't get a perfect score, don't worry, it's okay. Don't feel bad. Just proceed to the module and learn more. This time, we will be comparing and ordering numbers up to 100,000. Let us start the lesson with the help of this story problem. Marjorie is a little girl who saves money because she wishes to buy a gift for her mother. Last April, she saved 687 pesos. This May, she saved 678 pesos. In which month did she save more? I will repeat. Marjorie is a little girl who saves money because she wishes to buy a gift for her mother. Last April, she saved 687 pesos. This May, she saved 678 pesos. In which month did she save more? Let us answer the question. What is asked in the problem? Very good. The month that she saved more. What are the given facts that can help you solve the problem? All right. The given facts are 687 pesos and 678 pesos. What can you say about Marjorie? Very good. Marjorie is thrifty. She is also a thoughtful child. When comparing two numbers, you can follow these steps. Number 1, align the digits with the same place value. Number 2, starting from left, compare the digits in each place value. The first pair of digits that are of different values will determine which number is greater or less. Let us study the table. Compare the digits in the hundreds place. 687 and 678. Same digits in the hundreds place. So what digit is in the hundreds place? Very good. Number 6. Compare the digits in the tens place. 687 and 678. What digit is in the tens place? Very good. The numbers on the tens place are 8 and 7. 8 is bigger than 7. Therefore, 687 is bigger than 678. So Marjorie saved more money last April. You can also show your answer by using the symbol greater than sign to show that the first number is bigger than the other. So 687 is greater than 678. Read as 687 is greater than 678. If you are comparing numbers where the first number is smaller than the other, you can use the symbol less than sign. So, if you will compare 2,139 and 2,234, we say 2,139 is less than 2,234. We can write this as 2,139, use the symbol less than sign, 2,234. If the two numbers that you are comparing are of equal value, you can use the symbol equal sign to show that the two numbers are equal. So if you will compare 63,147 and 63,147, we say 63,147 is equal to 63,147. Use the equal sign. Numbers can be arranged in increasing and decreasing order. To arrange numbers in increasing order, compare the numbers and find out which is smaller or greater. Then, arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest in value. To arrange arrange numbers in increasing order, compare the numbers and find out which is smaller or greater. Then arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest in value. Example, arrange the following numbers in increasing order. The set of numbers are 23,456, 23,145, 23,523, and 23,034. I repeat, arrange the following numbers in increasing order. 23,456, 23,145, 23,523, and 23,034. Let's check your answer. So the first number is 23,034, followed by 23,145, then 23,456, and 23,523. To arrange numbers in decreasing order, compare the numbers and find out which is smaller or greater. Then, arrange the numbers from the biggest to the smallest in value. Let's have an example. Arrange the following numbers in decreasing order. Here are the sets of numbers. 23,456, 23,145, 23,523, and 23,034. I repeat, arrange the following numbers in decreasing order. 23,456, 23,145, 23,523, and 23,034. You have 3 seconds to answer. Let's start. Okay, time's up. The answer is 23,523, 23,456, 23,145, and 23,034. Do you have the same answer, kids? Very good. Let us see if you already know how to compare and order numbers from 10,001 to 100,000. For activity number 1, write the symbols greater than, less than, or equal on the space between the numbers to compare their value. Number 1, 67,890 and 67,089. Number 2, 56,789 and 56,567. Number 3, 98,456 and 98,654. For number 4, 21,456 and 21,456. And last number, 87,672 and 90,009. You have 5 seconds to answer. Let's start. Time's up. Let us check your answer. For number 1, 67,890 is greater than 67,089. For number 2, 56,789 is greater than 56,567. And for number 3, 98,456 is less than 98,654. And for number 4, 21,456 is equal to 21,456. And for the last number, 87,672 is less than 90,009. You have a perfect score? Very good, kids. For activity number 2, arrange in increasing order. Number 1 set of numbers, 11,000, 10,000, and 8,000. Number 2, 23,675, 23,756, and 23,890. And for number 3, 78,123, 67,234, and 87,234. Arrange in increasing order. Number 1, 11,000, 10,000, and 8,000. Number 2, 23,675, 23,756, and 23,890. And for number 3, 78,123, 67,234, and 87,234. You have 3 seconds to answer. Let's start. Time's up. Let us check your answer. So for number 1, arrange in increasing order. So the first set of numbers are 8,000, 10,000, and 11,000. Number 2, 23,675, 23,756, and 23,890. And for number 3, 67,234, 78,123, and 87,234. Do you have a perfect score? Very good, grade 4 learners. For the next activity, you have to arrange the following numbers in decreasing order. Number 1, 14,789, 14,987, 14,123. And number 2, 70,345, 70,900, and 70,009. Again, arrange the following numbers in decreasing order. Number 1, 14,789, 14,987, 14,123. Number 2, 70,345, 70,900, and 70,009. You have 3 seconds to answer. Let's start. Time's up. Let's check your answer. For number 1, 14,987, followed by 14,789, and 14,123. And for number 2, 70,900, then 70,345, and 70,009. Do you have the same answer? Good job, grade 4 learners. Just always remember, when comparing numbers, we use the symbols greater than, less than, and equals. To arrange numbers in increasing order, compare the numbers and find out which is smaller or greater. Then, arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest in value. And number 3, to arrange numbers in decreasing order, compare the numbers and find out which is smaller or greater. Then, arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest in value. Let us see if you are now ready to solve the problem. Read and understand the problem. A group of teenagers is conducting a tree planting activity. They have 4,579 Nara seedlings, 10,785 mahogany, and 25,090 acacia seedlings. Arrange the number of seedlings in decreasing order. Again, a group of teenagers is conducting a tree planting activity. They have 4,579 Nara seedlings, 10,785 mahogany, and 25,090 acacia seedlings. Arrange the number of seedlings in decreasing order. Go! So if your answer is 25,090 followed by 10,785 and 4,579, you are correct. Good job, kids. For your assessment, write the symbols greater than, less than, or equal on the space between the numbers to compare their value. For number 1, 57,238 and 57,129. For number 2, 16,109 and 16,897. And for number 3, 88,000 and 88,000. Number 4, 20,456 and 21,567. And for the last number, 90,000 and 89,999. And for letter B, arrange in increasing order. Number 1, 21,020, 10,030, 17,040. Number 2, 43,675, 23,734, and 33,590. And for number 3, 78,123, 67,234, and 87,234. For letter C, arrange in decreasing order. Number 1, 27,789, 27,987, and 27,123. And number 2, 17,345, 17,900, and 17,009. Are you done answering? If yes, time to check. Please go to page 10 for the answer key. And for your assignment, read and understand the problem. Number 1, write all the 4-digit numbers that can be formed out of the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4 with no digits repeated, and determine how many of these numbers are greater than 2,300. Again, write all the 4-digit numbers that can be formed out of the digits 1, 2, 3, and 4 with no digits repeated and determine how many of these numbers are greater than 2,300. And for number 2, a municipality is implementing a tree planting activity. It has 11,230 Nara seedlings, 32,100 mahogany seedlings, and 23,500 acacia seedlings. Arrange the number of seedlings in increasing and decreasing order. I will repeat. A municipality is implementing a tree planting activity. It has 11,200 Nara seedlings, 32,100 mahogany seedlings, and 23,500 acacia seedlings. Arrange the number of seedlings in increasing and decreasing order. To our grade 4 learners, I admire you for being a good listener. I hope you have learned a lot today. Every task given becomes very easy if you have the willingness to listen, a determination to do, and a confidence to finish. Congratulations, kids! You did a great job today. Once again, this is Teacher Joyce, your mathematics anchor teacher for today. Till next time, stay safe and God bless everyone.